Do you ever feel like your passion for sharing knowledge or inspiring others isn't making the impact or income it deserves? Many aspiring creators dream of starting a YouTube channel, but feel stuck, not knowing where to begin, how to grow, or how to monetize their efforts. The truth is, building a channel can seem overwhelming. Finding and creating engaging content and standing out in a sea of creators feels like a monumental task. But what if I told you there's a proven way to...
So let's join me as I try to build a successful YouTube channel all about facts and motivation and see if I can actually make money from it.
Did you know that some YouTubers make over $100,000 a year sharing facts? Yes, you can, and actually I'm not promote and not showing any kind of YouTube channel for inspire. Just I give you the secret, so don't miss any scene, just follow my step. Many creators struggle with visibility and engagement on YouTube Shorts, often feeling lost in the competition. We'll address these challenges head-on and provide solutions. We'll explore key elements such as niche selection, content creation, editing techniques, and how to leverage trends to grow your audience effectively.
So first, let's head over and chat GPT for Ask Channel Name. We need selected the channel name perfect way, so give this prompt chat GPT, this prompt below in description.
Paste the prompt here, and within Seek and Chat GPT give you lot of channel name. If you not like this, then you can again generate, then take your name. After select the name, then we need create channel, select create a new channel, then paste the name here, click on create. Then as you can see, we finally create on our channel. Now need customize the channel. Give here a good handle for searching. Now need a well type of description. So for description, you can take second prompt in here and chat GPT. Then as you can see, chat GPT provides you a well description after generate, just copy and paste. After finished, you need create profile logo and YouTube banner. It's very simple. You can use Canva for that reason. You can select perfect ratio or size. Select YouTube banner, then choose a banner template, and there have a lot of free and paid feature. You can make a good look banner and customize as you like. It's very simple. If you don't know how to create a probational banner, then comment, I will update next video. Now we need create fresh logo for channel, so let's get for the logo. Generated logo, I'm going to use Leonardo.ai. I give you prompt and description, just copy and paste after paste. The prompt, click generate within few seconds. This AI create logo for your channel. You can customize your prompt as you like. Now we need set this logo on our channel. Check our channel view, how to look. Yep, not bad. Now we need changes, some channel settings. So at first need set our country. Which country you want, just select. Now need keyword in your niches related. So if you need keyword, then you can check our Facebook page. There have this keyword. It's done now. We need create content for our channel. Now we make script using ChatGPT, just follow my step. You can collect a lot of video footage in pixel.com, so I take some clip from here, and best editing tools, CapCut, so follow my step.
Life, we all face challenges, but it's in those moments of adversity that our true strength is revealed. Every setback, every obstacle is an opportunity to grow, to rise stronger, and to become the person we were always meant to be. Remember, success isn't defined by how many times you fall, but by how many times you get back up. Keep pushing forward, even when the road feels impossible, because the greatest victories come after the hardest battles. Trust in your journey, believe in your potential, and never stop striving for the greatness that's waiting for you. Your time is now.
The turning point comes when you discover the secret formula for creating viral shorts, combining creativity with strategic planning to capture viewers' attention. To wrap up, we've covered the essential steps to launch your professional YouTube Shorts channel and highlighted the importance of consistency and engagement. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.